You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to lock your hidden photos album on iPhone for extra security. First, hide photos by opening the Photos app, selecting the photos, tapping the share icon, then selecting hide. The photos move to the hidden album under Utilities. To lock this album, you need to enable the hidden album lock. Feature in Screen Time. Open the Settings app and tap on Screen Time. If you haven't set it up, tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the prompts. Once screen time is on, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle it on if it's off. Tap Content Restrictions, then tap Photos. Select Don't Allow to completely hide the Photos app or for a more targeted lock, go back and use a different method. The most effective way is to use the Notes app trick. Create a new note, tap the camera icon, select Scan Documents, then scan a blank page. Save it as a PDF. Lock the note by tapping the three dots, selecting lock, and setting a password. This isn't a direct photo lock, but it secures scanned images. For true app locking, use a third-party app like Private Photo Vault from the App Store to import and password protect photos. iOS does not have a native password lock specifically for the hidden album itself. It relies on your device passcode and Face ID to protect all photos when the phone is locked. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.